All right, Keno Nation, welcome to another episode. Is it an episode? Is it a session? What do we call these little videos? We're at Bellagio in Las Vegas inside the sports book, and I've got $200 in 10-cent multi-card. Let me walk you through the cards. They're the ones we've been playing recently. I just have them a little bit out of order. I get in these kicks where I play the same patterns on multi-card for a long time, and then eventually I get sick of them and I mix them all up, I reset, and I start all over with new numbers. But we're going to ride these for a little bit because I've had some good luck on them recently on dollar denom. Let's see how we do on 10-cent denom. So S and T are usually different. All the other cards are the same. I usually mix up the S and T. So you might recognize A through R. Okay, speed is set to medium. That should be good enough. 6 out of 9 on the T card. Hey, I got an idea. Why don't you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, and then hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Don't hit it if you are subscribed. It'll unsubscribe you. We don't want that. Thumbs up and subscribes are free. They cost nothing. We give them away every single day here on this channel. Free of charge. Just have to hit the button. Almost had the P. We needed 29. Oh, look at that. 2. 2 is 2 swings of the pendulum. We would have had 2 5 spots. Two again would have been a pendulum. We want to hit all 3 swings of the pendulum in that top left corner because that means we'll also hit the 7 spot. That would be a 7 and 3 5s. Let us know how you feel about multi-card in the comment box. Do you want to see some more multi-card on the channel? Oh, come on. I've been playing this machine for a while this trip, and it's notorious for being one short. It's definitely a teaser who's never really come through. Maybe today's the day. It is the day. There's the there's the Big Daddy 5 spot. I should have played it 3 times like he used to do, the triple 5. That's all right. $169 win. We'll take it. We're up 117 bucks. Let's hit another one. So we were too short of a 7 spot there, I guess, too, because I have that 5 spot embedded in a 7. Let's get crazy with the cheese whiz and do some max bets here. Now's when we want to hit the pendulum. All 3 swings. One of these days I'm going to make it happen with the 7 spot. Oh my gosh. 3. We needed 3. Maybe these max bets help prime it. We'll go back to $4. One more spin. All right, $4. That's all right. We tried with our winnings. We used our winnings to try to max bet this thing. And now we're right back to where we started. If you're watching this and you're confused, because we get a lot of people ask us, I don't understand multi-card. Can you explain it to me? It's super simple. You're just playing single card Keno. It's single card. But you're playing 20 at a time. It would be like when you go to the bingo parlor and you get multiple bingo cards. So it's the same draw of 20 numbers. It's not 20 different draws per card. It's one draw of 20, but you're playing 20 different cards. 20 different chances to try to hit something. And all you do is you place your bet and then you go card by card, A through T, and pick your numbers on each card. The little asterisks, or belly buttons we call them, or if we're feeling extra ornery, little buttholes. Those mean that those numbers are on multiple cards, they're overlapped. If you see a letter like E, S, that means the E card, these two numbers here, 61 and 51, are only on E. But if they have the asterisk, those numbers are on multiple cards. Got one. One swing of the pendulum. Any one of these is another one. In fact, 21 would have been great. It would have been another swing of the pendulum and another 5 spot. We're back in the lead. We're up $128. You know what that means. Let's go for it. Anytime we're up, we're going to max bet here. We're going for the big one. Let's get one 5 spot at max bet. It's like $320 some dollars. Maybe it just likes the $4 bet. Oh, come on, 6. I don't even normally play a 6 on multi-card. I don't know why I did that, but K, one more number on K. What did we need? 33. So it pays $321.60 for a 5 spot at max bet. Come on! There and there. That's the 7 spot with the BDK 5 embedded in it. That's what we want. This machine owes us a comma in the credit box. Let's get it. We're all in here, not going to switch the games today. So hopefully you're a multi-card fan. Oh, pendulum, pendulum, pendulum. 3 and 12, and we got it all. You know, our thing on this channel is variete, because variete is the spice of life. It also helps draw new people in. So we like to switch up the games, and we like to play a lot of single card to help appeal to, one would have been great. One's the bartender, 5 spot. Appeal to slot players who might be curious about Keno. So we like to show Keno games that look like slot machines, Wolf Run, Da Vinci Diamonds, some of the aristocrat ones. Caveman has multipliers, Cleo has free games. They kind of play like slots. People always ask us why we play single cards so often. That's why. We need to convert people from slots to Keno. That's how we're going to do it. And we have. I met a fellow from London recently, Mark. Shout out, Mark. They don't have Keno over there. They never even heard of it until they found our channel. And now they're hooked on Keno. When they come to Vegas, they play it nonstop. Once the Keno bug bites you, we can't get rid of it. All right, let's go back to $4 here and 3 more spins. This machine doesn't like max bet. We'll do it now. So the trend is we hit a 5 spot. We go up to max bet. It does nothing. We go back to $4. We hit a 5 spot. We go back to max bet. It does nothing. Let's see if we can hit another 5 spot at $4. Almost did it. There it is. Oh my God, you guys, there's 2 of them.
Beautiful.
Right. 22 and 23. 22 and 23. The other 2 swings of the pendulum and the 7th spot. Oh my goodness. Well, our 200 is now up to 500. And I literally, the words barely left my tongue when I said the trend is we max bet nothing, go back to $4 and hit. So I almost feel like we just need to stay at $4. There's no point of max betting. But I'm not very bright, so let's do at least 11 max bets. Wow, that's like 3 dead spins in a row. Oh, come on. We need a number 3. Oh my gosh, come on. We need a number 1. Let's do it one time at max bet. Come on. Number 1, we got it, come on. Again, the words literally left my mouth. Let's do it at max bet, and we did it. We needed 41 for the other one. F is 41. Oh no. We would have had a pendulum swing there. There is another one though, isn't there? J. J is 41. No, J is 12 too. Is there 3? 1, 2, 3. D. All right, I knew it wasn't crazy. So 12 would have got us 2 more. 12 would have got us 2 more. Our 200 is now 767. So I think what we're gonna do is take a $500 profit out of today's video. Let's not get too greedy. Let's do 10 $4 bets, maybe 11. Great win today, Bellagio bar tops getting it done, son. Couldn't hit multiples. It would have been nice to hit 2 5 spots at one time.
You did.
I did?
You did. You
Oh,
did
once I did.
160.
Yeah, at $4. You're right. Michelle had to correct me.
Sorry.
I'm glad you did. Do you know how many times I say something on these videos that's completely wrong? I'll be staring at the number that we need and call out a different number that I needed. It happens all the time. It's like there's something wrong with my brain. Come on. I'm so tempted to keep going. I think we got lucky. I think we got lucky. I think we're gonna call it right there. Let's cash out this ticket. So we started with 200 in multi, coming through $501.65 because we refuse to lose at QuickHundySlots. Make that the motto in your life, not just gambling. Refuse to lose, never give up hope. Whatever you're going through, stick with it. Keep fighting. Refuse to lose. Peace, love, and luck. Love ya.